How to screenshot or screen capture on the Samsung Galaxy Flip. Welcome to One How to Smartphones tutorial videos. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to take a screenshot or a screen capture. I'll show you guys two ways of how to do the screenshot on the Samsung Galaxy Flip. Both of them are fairly simple. The first one is going to be using the physical buttons. The second one is going to be using gestures and doing the palm swipe. So what a screenshot is it pretty much takes a picture of whatever's on your screen at the time. So if you were looking for some information and you found it, you want to share it, all you got to do is screenshot it and you can send it. You pretty much saves in your gallery. Even from gallery, you're able to click. If it's on a website, somewhere you're able to click on a button that'll take you to the website. So pretty cool features. There's two ways that I have found to do it. The easiest one and the most simple. Before I go ahead and demonstrate, I'm just going to go ahead into my gallery and show you guys that I currently have no pictures, nothing in here to say that I've already done it before. But the way to do the screenshot is using the volume down and the power button. Press them simultaneously, just a quick press and release. We will see a little toolbar pop up here at the bottom, giving us options to edit the photo, stuff like that. So that is there. So if we go into gallery, we'll see that now we have one photo that is now currently saved as the screenshot saved in the photos. So the second way of doing it is by turning on your gestures. You do that. I swipe down and go into settings. From settings, we will be looking for advanced features, so go ahead, select that. From here, we will go ahead and scroll until we see motions and gestures. And from here, there is a palm swipe to capture. So if you go ahead and select that, it just gives you that option to swipe and turn on that feature. So I'm going to go back into my pictures. This does take a little bit of practice to kind of get it down to it's almost like an art. I haven't really figured it out myself, as you guys could tell, but sometimes it pulls down on different tabs, different things, like that one right there. Just open up a different tab. So, and you glide it. I've been swiping on the screen itself. There's a little bit of a learning curve to go along with this one. You don't want to be opening up a bunch of different features. And as you guys could tell, I still have not got it 100% down. But you're supposed to be able to, I've done it before in the past, you should be able to swipe and it should be taking a screenshot. So there you go. I don't know what I did differently there, but it did pop up as a screenshot. It did take a picture and saved it there. So this is the palm gesture of how to take a screenshot. So there you guys have it. Those are two ways of taking a screenshot or screen capture on the Samsung Galaxy Flip. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Share it with anybody who might be looking for this information. And if you found this helpful, be sure to, if you'd like to support, go ahead and hit that thanks button down at the bottom. Thank you guys all for watching this video. Have a good day.